faster car for that.
Yes, you do. Well, hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage coming at you today with the Southwest Airlines car show. And what a car show it's been. We've had awesome opportunity to check out some really cool cars. Airplanes going by. The runway's right over here. And I've shown you a bunch of really cool cars. We have a really bad car here today. It's a 9-second car on the track. It's a drag car. And it's owned by my new best friend, Bob. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, how are we doing today?
Now, Bob's going to go ahead and start this up, and then afterwards, he's going to give us a little tour of the car, let us know what's going on with it. We have comp cams, comp lifters, straining axles, Hughes performance, headers, Loper's performance of the car, Jags, all the go fast goodies, as they say. All right, Bob, whenever you're ready to fire it up, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. It's too loud, you're too old. All right, so we got Bob here. And Bob, nice to meet you. Thank you for giving us a little tour of your car here. So tell us about your car. I need to know like the make and the engine and some basic stuff that you're proud of.
55 Chevy, 210 sedan, Bel Air, and all steel except for the front bumper and the deck lid.
Okay.
And 565 big block Chevy.
Oh, that's this here.
Yeah, naturally aspirated, 1150 Dominator carburetor, and the dyno's at about 913 horse.
Now, when you say dyno, about 913 horse, some people know on the motor, dyno on the motor.
On the motor, yeah.
What hits the pavement?
That I never did.
Okay, no sweat. That's cool.
Yeah. I just figure if it's gonna blow up, I'd rather do it driving it than on the dyno.
Exactly, because when you're driving, you have more fun than on a dyno.
Right.
Because you're actually not operating the accelerator on a dyno.
That's right.
Right, I know.
Yep.
I know.
Yep.
So you got a lot of really cool stuff here that you've done to the car.
Working headlights. It's got a Pinot front suspension.
Now,
rack and pinion.
somebody told me that this car is actually licensed to drive on the street. Is that right?
It is, yes. Yes, it is.
That's very cool.
It's fun.
We're going to go back here in the back on the other side here. It looks like you got a full roll cage in this thing?
Yeah. It's NHRA started to run as fast as 850.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I open this up?
Yeah, have at it. It's got a Hughes performance power glide in it.
So this is the roll cage here we're talking about.
Yep.
Side impact brace and roll cage. Now this is what, a 7 or 8, 9, 10 point system?
10 point.
10 point?
Yep.
And you said the NHRA has certified it to do what?
850s.
850s. That's a fast freaking car cage. Now you said your car does 9s.
Yeah, it has gone as fast as a 918 at 144.
Damn. That's fast. This car is a beast here. This is a real deal, even though it's street legal. This is a real deal drag car here, folks.
It is.
Check this out.
It's more of a drag car than a street car.
Right. He says it's a beer getter car. Check this out here. My drinking team has a racing problem.
That says a lot right there.
Yeah, I can totally relate to that, right? Yeah. PBR or something like that. All right. This is called
a parachute.
That's called a parachute.
Emergency brake.
Yeah.
Just in case.
He's emergency brake, just in case. Now this is what you call talking about the rear deck lid, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This piece here.
Yep.
And then this just help the chute come out for one.
Okay.
And go down.
All right. Now when you say it helps the chute come out, what a lot of people don't know this. What does this do, and what is this called?
This is spoiler.
Okay.
And so when the wind is coming on the car and comes off the spoiler, you get a little push on the back end to help hold it down.
Right.
Going fast.
Okay.
And also when the chute comes out, it's positioned to pop up out here. So the air is going to grab that pilot chute and yank it out and pull the rest of the chute out and deploy it.
when you run it down a track, that's what you stop with all the time, right?
I really don't.
Oh, okay.
It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it.
Okay.
Willwoods on a 9-inch rear end in the back. And,
wow.
All strange axles and spool, but Willwood disc brakes in the back and disc brakes in the front off the Mustangs too, or Pinto front end.
All right.
And it stops great. But I've seen people have issues that that would have saved their car.
This is not a glass rear window, I see.
No, that's Lexan.
Lexan rear window, okay. Now, is there a reason why you put a Lexan rear window in your car?
Wait,
okay.
Yeah.
Because it's a drag car,
yep.
Not a street car, it's street legal.
Yep.
Street legal, but it's a drag car.
Because the front window is a real windshield, and so that's all you need for a street car to be streetable. Is a real DOT, capable window.
Gotcha.
And then the wing windows are still functional glass windows. But the side windows are Lexan.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Functional glass. Functional glass. Cool hood. Eric's Garage, and Bob, I want to say thank you so much for sharing your car with us. Very nice meeting you. Appreciate your time today.
You too, Eric.
All right, man.
Appreciate
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Remember, folks, drive it like you stole it, bitches.
Always.
Peace out. Always. Hell yeah.